My name is Levi and I have made an app on coronavirus. This app is very useful as it has many functions including various interesting games. Now I am going to show you how my app works. This is how the home screen looks like. Now let me show you the first part of the game. The first part of my COVID Fighter app is a game. In this game, you need to reach your house without touching the coronavirus. So, to move the person, all you have to do is to tilt your phone. If you tilt your phone in the left direction, the person will move in the left. If you tilt the phone to the right direction, the person will move to the right. So now let's see whether I'm gonna win or lose. So I have lost as I collided with one of the coronavirus. Let me try once again. So let's see whether I win. I escape all the coronavirus. I'm near my house. Yes. This time I have defeated coronavirus. Now let me show you the second part of my app. This part is very useful as it would instruct you to do all the do's and don'ts that you would have to follow to prevent coronavirus, such as stay away from people who are coughing or sneezing, wash your hands with soap and water, keep your hands away from your eyes, nose and mouth, don't shake hands, disinfectant high touch surfaces, and much more. Let me show you the third part of my app. The third part of my app gives live updates on coronavirus. So this is the live update coming in from UK appears to be on track for one of the Europe's highest COVID-19 death tolls, and there are many exciting and interesting headlines that you could watch. Let me show you the next part. This part is also a game. Its name is known as Virus Treaty. So here in this place you need to treat a corona patient who is lying on the bed. So in this label, if you read, it says touch the medicine with which you would treat the patient. So when I press the start button, this label will change into a timer. Before the timer runs to 0, I need to treat the patient with the medicines. So I press the start button and the timer has started. So I chose this medicine. So it says you chose 100% effective corona syrup. My points have decreased from 500 to 400 for buying the medicine, but as the advantage, the patient recovery rate has increased to 30. So when the recovery rate of the patient reaches 100, you win. But at the same time, if your point reaches 0, you lose. So now let's see whether I'm gonna win or whether I'm gonna lose. So this time the recovery rate of the patient has crossed 100 and I have won the game. Let me show you the next part of my app. The next part of my app displays the hospitals near your house. It gives you access to contact hospitals, read reviews, see images, know its location, know its contact number, get information about it, and much more. So if I, for example, take this hospital, it has the phone number, location, images, reviews, and much more. Let me show you the next part. The next part is similar to the previous one, but the only difference is that instead of hospitals, it shows the grocery stores. It all has the same applications. If I, for example, take this as a supermarket, it has its phone number, its location, when it closes, and its images, reviews, and much more. Let me show you this next part of my app. This part is an interesting one. This part keeps a list of things you should do daily. It records the date you did the action and also keeps a records of points. As your points increases, your level is gonna increase. So if I, for example, maintain social distancing whenever I go, so when I press the confirm button, as you can see, the list is updated. I maintained social distancing whenever I went out, and it also displays the date when I did. But there is also a small change. My points have increased from 0 to 10, and my level has increased from beginner to finder. So I even carried a sanitizer with me all the time. So the list gets updated, and when I did this action also gets updated, and my points have increased to 15 and my level has increased to seeker. So you can enjoy this part of the app with various levels and much more. The next part of my app gives live updates on the number of corona cases worldwide with each country. It includes graphs, death rate, symptoms, incubation, transmission, news. The coronavirus cases worldwide now are 3,097,876. It has an option view by country. The deaths are 213,579. The recovered patients are 938,746. There are full information about corona cases worldwide, including graphs, cases and deaths by country, territory, or conveyance, and all the countries which are affected by coronavirus, their active virus cases, deaths and recovery rate. Active cases, serious, critical, top cases. Let me show you the self-checkup part of my app. This part gives you a small corona test for you. If I, for example, have fever, cold, sore throat and headache, when I press the confirm button, it would lead you to the COVID-19 final test screen. Here it would ask you, hold your breath or eat an eatable. For me, the most preferable is holding my breath. So when I press the start count button, the timer will start. Let me hold my breath now. So I was able to hold my breath. So as you can see, it asks, what did you do? Now I hold my breath. Are you a senior citizen? No. I had these symptoms for, let's take for example, 2 days. Did you travel anywhere for the last 20 days? No. Did you travel anywhere in the last 20 days? No. Did you come in contact with corona patient? No. When I press the confirm button, it gets updated and reported. Be honest. Were you able to recognize the taste of the eatable or able to hold breath? Yes, I was able to. Now let me show you the last and final part of the app. The final part of my app is a user guide which guides the user how to use this app. It has full information on the coronavirus game, the virus treaty, my keep corona away to-do list, groceries nearby, hospitals nearby, self-checkup, and it has all the instructions how to play the games and how to control the other functions of the app. So that's my app. Thank you for checking out my app.